alternating sides. వేదనలు కుడి ఎడమలు మారుతుండుట. First the fellow has pain in the right elbow. After some months it disappears. Then again he has in the left elbow coming and going for some months. Then disappears. Then again to the right elbow like that. కొన్నాడు కూర్చొని నొప్పి మంది వెళ్తే తగ్గుతుంది, మళ్ళీ మంది వెళ్తే మళ్ళీ తగ్గుతుంది, పూర్తిగా తగ్గిపోయి ఎడం చేతికి వస్తుంది. అలాగే వస్తుంది, మళ్ళీ మంది వెళ్తే తగ్గి ఇటుపక్క వస్తుంది. దిస్ సిమ్టమ్ ఈజ్ దేర్ ఇన్ పల్సటిలా ఆల్సో ఆల్టర్నేటింగ్ సైడ్. దేర్ ఆర్ many drugs which show symptoms of sight. For example, a fellow has right-sided headache with pain in the right eyeball like boring inside. కుడి తల నొప్పి, కుడి కంటి గుడ్డులో ఉండి పొడుస్తుంది. Sanguinaria. It is a wonderful miraculous cure within hours, but it is only temporary. Because it requires another drug which is indicated for the person. Immediately the drug indicates some other which should be picked up. The same thing left-sided headache with a boring pain into the left eyeball. Spigillia. Not only headache on the left side, but neck on the left side pain. Through the nerve, into the shoulder also sometimes, left shoulder, and sometimes it pains into the hand, from the head, from the eyeball into the hand. It is like skin pricking sensation into the nerve. Nerve బాగా లాగేస్తుంటాయి. These two drugs work with wonderful speed. The difference is sanguinaria is only a temporary drug which never cures such headaches permanently, because it leads to deeper drugs like lycopodium and sugarcane. One wonderful thing with this drug is, if with such a headache the fellow has adenoids in the nose or tonsils in the throat, they will disappear miraculously within 2 or 3 months, permanently. Sanguinaria తలనొప్పులున్న పిల్లల్ని ముక్కులలో కాయలు adenoids, గొంతులో కాయలు అంటే టాన్సిల్స్, కుడి పక్క కానీ ఎడమ పక్క కానీ ఏదైనా సరే అవుతాయి. Only 2 or 3 monthly doses of sanguinaria will see that the tonsils or adenoids disappear. And in one case, wonderfully enough, with a single dose, the adenoid is broken and the fellow spit it out from the throat. పడిపోయింది. One Radu boy of a fellow from Bhimavaram, treated by my brother-in-law Radhakrishna. He gave only a single dose of sanguinaria. He has reported the whole case, and the elders did not report of the headaches of the boy at all. They always reported about only adenoids. So you do see adenoids. వీడు రిపర్టైజ్ చేసి ఎడినాయిడ్ గారికి శాంగులైన డ్రగ్ వేశాడు. He was thinking of giving a second dose, but early in the morning the fellow has done like that and spit it out. తర్వాత వచ్చి చెప్పాడు, ఇట్లా జరిగింది, ఒక డోసు వేస్తే ఇట్లా పడిపోయింది చెప్పాడు. అండ్ స్పైజిలియా is not a surface drug, it is a very deep drug. It gives the headache permanently, but one caution with these two drugs is required. When headaches are successfully cured with sanguinaria, About 60% of the patients go into tuberculosis of the lungs. You should be careful. శాంగురేరియాతో తలనొప్పులు నివారణమైన వారు క్షయవ్యాధికి గురియగుదురు చెప్పగలరా? Because the tuberculosis is there already in them since their birth, and the constitution has thrown the disease into a form of peculiar unilateral headache, etc. క్షయవ్యాధి వారిలో అంతకు ముందే ఉన్నది, అది బయటపడకుండా కాపాడుటకై శరీరతత్వం తలనొప్పులలో అంటిపెట్టి ఉంది. When you hit correctly at the headache, then the tuberculosis comes out. The boy goes into cough and low temperature, emaciate. Be careful. You should be able to tackle him, otherwise you should not give him sanguinity. That is one caution, very serious caution about sanguinity. Another caution about spigelia. When you are successful in curing this spigelia patient of his headache, about 60% of the people going to heart disease, చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా గుండె జబ్బు వస్తుంది. If you are confused, the patient dies of heart disease. ఏమిటో ఇప్పుడేం చేయాలి అని అనుకున్నట్టు డాక్టర్ ఇప్పుడు మధ్యలో ఉంచేస్తారు పేషెంట్. సో be prepared to face these two situations before you use these drugs for a chronic case. Because he is already a cardiac patient, but the constitution is saving him from becoming a cardiac patient by keeping him a patient of headache and neuralgia and lifestyle. All secrets ఉన్నాయి ఈ రెండు రోజుల్లో. We may not believe sometimes. And when he goes into heart disease, half of the patients require spigelia next dilution to cure the heart disease. Spigelia వేషం తలనొప్పి దగ్గర ఓర్బాయనో గుండె జబ్బు వచ్చింది, ఇంకా స్పైగీలియా జోలికి పోకూడదు అని అనుకుంటే పేషెంట్ చచ్చిపోతారు. Because it is on the way to cure and he came to a risky ground from which the constitution is keeping him away all these years. Or he may be requiring legacy after that. You should study the case and retake the whole case history again and then give him the next drug. Take responsibility of treating him until he is free from those. So these two drugs, in a way, they are dangerous. Similarly, there is a third drug which is also dangerous, which cures gastric ulcers and gastric pain and gastritis, etc. కడుపులో పరిణామశీలము, కులసరము, గొంతు మంట, హార్ట్ బర్న్, చెస్ట్ బర్న్, థ్రోట్ బర్నింగ్, acidity, too much, and he gets pain and he vomits. Immediately, within 1 hour of reading, he gets burning or pain or both and he vomits. In such cases, there is one drug which gives a miraculous cure of this acidity but lands him in a greater trouble. That drug is, it is not well proved, it is only partly proved drug which works with this disease only. Ornithobolus.
Does it belong to the birds? Any birds? Ornithology is generally a
Yes.
of birds.
So it is a plant which flies, the seed flies like a bird. పవన్ క్యారెక్టర్తోనే ఇట్లా ఎగరేస్తే రైన్ ఎందుకు పడుతుంది. అది generally we give mother nature, it works miracle. If at all he requires it, we give in 6 potency. It cures. And within a few months after the cure, there is a possibility of this fellow going into an abdominal cancer. So, don't go in for this drug generally because you have no basis to select this drug. It is not true. It has no totality of symptoms. There are doctors who use it. Of course, I do use it, but only for 2 or 3 patients an year. When exactly 1 or 2 symptoms agree. And it works very well with those people, and they are safe now.
Actually, lactation necessary in the tuberculosis.
Yes.
What is the
Yes, the tuberculosis after sanguinuria many times requires lycopodium or tuberculinum or bacillus. So this is one symptom.
cancer?
Yes.
What should we do?
Answer. Therefore, we are not going to wait for the drug unless we are sure that it is a surface. If the patient is miasmic, don't wait for the drug. If the patient if it is only a temporary phase due to some infection in the water or pollution, etc., then we can leave it. అంటే మన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ తో పుట్టి అక్యూట్ డిసీజ్ అని తెలిసి చాలా డేంజరస్ ఫైట్ మూడు ఒక మాట చెప్పారు బ్లాక్ క్యానినం, బ్లాక్ వ్యాక్సినం, బ్లాక్ ఫెగనం. They all have something in common. Sometimes, yes, spinal heart patient may require nephron also, and many times spinal higher is required, or sometimes lacusis may be required. Heliborus is another example of one-sided symptom. Left side, just like lacusis. Heliborus also is a left-sided symptom. The paralysis of Heliborus indicates the one hand and one leg, no movement at all, left hand, and the other hand and other leg, they make involuntary movement, continuous. ఎడమకాలు ఎడమ చేయి పక్షవాతం లాంటి పరిస్థితి వస్తుంది, కుడికాలు కుడి చేయి ఎప్పుడు కొడుకుంటూ ఉంటాయి. ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్ ఇన్ కాంప్లికేటెడ్ కేసెస్ ఆఫ్ టైఫాయిడ్ that are spoiled by treatment, and in spoiled cases of epilepsy, and in spoiled cases of eruption fever like measles fever, they go into complications. The fellow is stupor and half conscious, and he does all those things. And another modality is symptoms extend from above downwards. బాధలు, వేదనలు పై నుండి కిందికి వ్యాపించును. The fellow will be having pain in the back of the head, and then after some months he has pain here, and then here, then here, then here, like that. Suffering such thing. Okay. And if he has some burning sensation in the body, if it starts in the neck, it extends down, still like that. Especially if emaciation starts in lycopodium, శుష్కించుట ప్రారంభించినతో శిరస్సు వైపున నుండి పాదముల వైపునకు ప్రయాణం చేయండి. That is, first the head and neck are emaciated. They become bony and puny. తల, మెడ, కోడి మెడ పడుతుంది, like the neck of a cock the fellow will have an elongated neck, the chain, and then the upper skeleton becomes bony, the shoulders and the clavicle, etc. And then the next part. So, if you see the fellow, you will find the position like that. You will find as if an exclamation mark is inverted. So, emaciation extends from head to the lower organ. The opposite will be the case for patients of calcareous curve. Emaciation starts from the legs and extends upwards. Among grown-ups, we find VIPs stopping their car and getting down from the car. One fellow will be like this, another fellow will be like this. So the lycopodium fellow talking to the calcareous curve fellow. Then they shake hands and go to their car and they went away. వాడు అట్లీ చెట్టు ఉంటాడు, వీడు ఇడ్లీ చెట్టు ఉంటాడు. దూరం నుంచి మనం చూసేటికి తెలిసిపోతారు. అండ్ బోత్ విల్ హ్యావ్ పాట్ బెల్లి. ఇద్దరికి కూడా డ్రమ్ము పొట్టలు ఇట్లాంటివన్నీ ఉంటాయి. పెద్దవాళ్ళు గ్రోన్ అప్ పీపుల్. అండ్ బటక్ అండ్ బెల్లి దే విల్ బి ఆఫ్ బిగ్ సైజ్ గ్రాడ్యువల్లీ లైక్ ఏ బర్త్. దిస్ ఈజ్ అనదర్ మోడాలిటీ. అండ్ what about heat and cold, reaction of heat and cold? In lycopodium, it is very, very complicated. You should follow in a systematic manner. I will give you the first step today. You should have them in mind in a systematic manner, otherwise you get confused. The first is aggravation from cold weather, immunization from warm weather. Don't be in a hurry. But remember, this is true only with head and spinal trouble. For example, headache, neck pain, back pain, lumbar. With these symptoms, the lycopodium fellow is worse whenever the temperature is cold. He is worse whenever he applies cold water. He is worse whenever there is cold breeze. He is better whenever there is a warm application. But if it is joint pain, it is the other way around. The other joint, that is knee joint or elbow joint or ankles or stomach pain, etc. Any other pains except these two, you have to reverse this. Tomorrow, you can systematically take care of 4 steps about these things. For example, aggravation from warm weather, amelioration from cold weather, to all rheumatic complaints except the complaints of head and spine. Please give your permanent addresses so that the addresses may be with us. And as you develop interest in the subject, as it is already evident from the way in which you are attending the classes, we try to help you by supplying the material and books from time to time. And also, if you have interest in spending some of your valuable time to start one clinic locally in your place to help the suffering humanity, or if you can spend some time in service in one of the already established started clinics or the World Teacher Trust, after 2 years of your almost continuous free service in one of these clinics, a certificate will be issued to you by the World Teacher Trust, recognizing that you are one among the true brethren who wants the welfare of others. That is all. It has no academic value, but it has a cultural and spiritual and human value. And wherever there are families who expect your help, and also families who belong to the World Teacher Trust, you are expected to help them whenever medical aid is required. So after 2 years, many of you who continue to help your neighbors will be given the certificate of the World Teacher Trust. It is for that purpose we request you to fill up these application forms duly and give your permanent address so that the address may not probably change very frequently. That's all what we want. It is to keep up communication, to send you what we feel like sending you, the up-to-date information of homeopathy and allied sciences, and also to expect some help to the people around you. These are the two purposes for which we take these application forms. Now, we are considering the distinguishing symptoms of lycopodium. We said in spine and head symptoms, yesterday we said that the patient is aggravated from cold weather, cold weather, but it is the other way around. Please correct it. Yesterday, the last thing I told you, it is the other way around. It is aggravated from warm weather, not cool weather. So please write it down. Yesterday, after leaving the hall, we got suspicion and we referred. I gave you in a different way, you please correct it. A person suffering from headache, or hemiplegia, or heaviness of the head, or stiffness of the neck, or lumbago, that is head symptoms and spine symptoms. Those people go very bad when the weather is hot, warm weather, warm application, and warm drink, and they feel happy and ameliorated by cool weather, cold application, and moderately cool drink, not ice cold drink, because remember always, the lycopodium patient is very bad whenever he takes ice cold drink. A particular patient feels very good when he takes ice cold drink, but he becomes very bad, aggravated after a little time is over. Whereas lycopodium patient goes very bad whenever he takes very cool drink. So no person appreciating very cool things at all in lycopodium. So this is one thing. This is in reference to the particular symptom of head and spine. తలనొప్పులు, పార్శ్వ నొప్పులు, తల దిమ్ము, తల బరువు, మెడ నొప్పి, వెన్ను నొప్పి, నడుము నొప్పి, ఈ విధమైన బాధలలో వాతావరణం వెచ్చగా ఉన్నదో లైకోపోడియం రోగి చాలా బాధలకు గురి అవుతుంది. వెచ్చని ఉపచారములలో చాలా బాధపడదు, వెచ్చని పానీయములతో కూడా బాధపడదు. వాతావరణం చల్లగా ఉన్నతో ఉపశమనంలో ఉండదు, చల్లని ఉపచారములతో ఉపశమనం పొందడం, కొంచెం చల్లని పానీయములతో ఉపశమనం పొందడం. ఫర్ ఆల్ అదర్ సిమ్టమ్స్, దట్ ఈస్ in general, a lycopodium patient is aggravated from cool weather, cool applications,